Do you dread cleaning your home? Many people do. Cleaning can feel overwhelming and time-consuming. In this tutorial, we share smart, effortless hacks. By the end, your home will look immaculate with hardly any effort. First, let's talk about your dusting routine. Use dryer sheets to wipe surfaces. They repel dust easily and smell great. Next, consider using your vacuum cleaner creatively. Attach a sock over the vacuum nozzle. It cleans hard-to-reach areas like ceiling fans. Moving on, let's utilize your dishwasher. You can clean small items like plastic toys. Just avoid anything electronic. Now, think about your furniture. Place a lint roller by your couch. Quickly remove pet hair with ease anytime you sit down. Up next is essential oils. Mix a few drops in water and spritz your home. You'll enjoy a fresh scent without extra cleaning. Also, set up a shoe tray at the entrance. This reduces floor dirt and keeps your home cleaner. Finally, use an old pillowcase for ceiling fan blades. Wipe them down easily and catch the dust in one go. To summarize, these lazy hacks require little effort yet produce amazing results. Enjoy a cleaner home while relaxing. Now it's your turn. Try these hacks today and share your results. Like and subscribe for more swift home hacks.